In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Monday.com board as a reusable template if you find yourself building the same kind of board again and again. Turning it into a template is a simple way to save time and keep your workflow consistent. A good template helps you avoid repeating setup work, and it also makes sure future boards follow the same structure, which is especially helpful when you want your team to stay organized. To begin, open the Monday.com board that you want to reuse. This should be the board that already contains the layout and setup you want to copy in the future. Before saving it as a template, take a moment to make sure everything is arranged the way you want. Review the groups, columns, and views, and confirm that any automations you rely on are already in place. The idea here is to prepare the board as your ideal starting point, so future boards created from this template will be ready to use with minimal changes. Once the board looks the way you want, go to the board menu. This is where you'll find additional options for managing the board itself. In that menu, look for the option called Save as Template and select it. This tells Monday.com that you want to turn the current board structure into something you can reuse later. Next, give your template a clear and recognizable name. This part is more important than it may seem, especially if you plan to create multiple templates over time. Choose a name that quickly tells you what the template is for, so it's easy to identify later when you need it. A simple, descriptive name will make your template center much easier to navigate. After naming it, save the template to your template center. This stores it in a place where you can access it whenever you're creating a new board. Think of the template center as your library of reusable board setups. From that point on, whenever you need a new board with the same structure, you can simply use the saved template during the board creation process. Instead of rebuilding everything from scratch, you'll be starting with the exact setup you prepared earlier. This is a great habit to build if you manage recurring projects, client workflows, internal processes, or any repeated task setup. Saving a board as a template keeps your work faster, cleaner, and more standardized across your workspace.